All right, welcome to my presentation, my calculus research presentation. I'm doing it on Gottfried Leibniz calculus, or however you say his name. Okay, so first of all, just kind of for credit, Newton got credit for the first discovery of calculus or invention of the theory, or however you want to call it. Um, but from what I've read and such, is Leibniz got credit for the first publication because he did publish it nearly 10 years before Newton did, I think. But it was just cool to see that because I had absolutely no idea that Leibniz existed or, um, you know, who he was or that he had anything to do with the discovery of calculus. So that was cool to learn. And then another cool fact that I learned is that apparently in like differentiation, Newton used a dot over the dependent, which I don't think we do now, but I could be wrong. Um, but so, like this says, Newton used a dot for the independent variable to indicate a derivative. And so I don't think that we use that to indicate a derivative. And then he used two dots for a second derivative. Um, whereas Leibniz used a dx and a dy to show the infinitesimal um, increments or spaces in the independent variables. But I just thought that was really interesting to see that Newton used dots because, like I said, I don't think we see that in our stuff today. But also, like I said, I could be totally wrong. But it's just kind of cool. And then down here in the part about integration, how Newton kind of didn't have a consistent way um, uh, of writing or signifying his integration. But we use Leibniz's stuff. So it's interesting to see that they both have like different methods. Um, and we end up using a lot of Leibniz's stuff, and I'm sure that we end up using a lot of Newton's stuff too. But kind of what's cool for me to think about is like when you think about math, at least for me, you often think that about how there's like one way to do it, like you do this and you put these together and you FOIL this out and you combine this and you simplify here and all that, and how there's like a set way to do it. But it's cool for me to think and see that like these two men kind of did the same thing or similar to the same thing, but in very different manners. Like they figured it out for themselves, which makes me respect them a ton because there's no way that I could do this. But yeah, it was just kind of cool to learn about the German dude. I really don't know how to say his name. And then to kind of see the difference in how Newton and he and the German dude had some of their stuff. So yeah, that's my presentation, and thanks for watching.